Welcome to this course in which I'm going to be talking about an awesome traffic strategy called media buying. Okay, and the advantage that I think media buying has over other traffic methods out there is that you can basically reach anyone that has access to the internet. Okay, as opposed to say advertising on Facebook, well, you're only reaching people that have access to Facebook, or that, even if someone does have a Facebook account, they may not look at their Facebook every day. So basically with media buying, you're basically just reaching out to anybody that has access to the internet. So in this course, I'm gonna talk more about what is media buying. I'm also gonna tell you how to create banner ads, and let me show you a free tool you can use to create banner ads. Now, although I do talk about banner ads, media buying is not restricted to just banner ads. There's other formats you can use, such as videos, and I'll go more into that later on in this course. I'm also going to share some tips for success, and I'm also going to share what I think are the top media buying networks out there. So what is media buying? Well, if you didn't already know, media buying can also take place offline. Okay, you could buy advertisements on the radio or on TV. You basically pay for airtime in the media. Now, when it comes to online marketing, media buying is a form of advertising where you purchase advertising space on other people's websites. Okay, you can search for and contact websites to advertise on, but the preferred way for marketers to find websites to advertise on is by just going to media buying networks, where you can find thousands of websites that are already willing to place ads on their sites for you. Okay, and a lot of these networks will actually do the searching for you. They'll find the websites that will match your business. Okay, and some of these networks will even create ads for you and place the ads for you. Now, the most commonly used format for advertising on websites in terms of media buying is banner ads, but there could be other formats as well, such as video ads, pop unders. Now, these ads are literally advertisements that will pop under or open in a new window behind the browser so as not to distract from the user's browsing experience. It's also a great way to get a high quality ad in front of users to be viewed at their leisure. Okay, another format that can be used is an interstitial web page, and this is basically a full page ad that appears before the actual web page. So it's a splash ad that displays before certain content. And these ads are a great way to have the viewer completely focus on your ad before moving on to the content. In this video, I want to quickly give you some tips on how to create banner ads for your media buying campaigns. Okay, so you're going to want to start off with a 300 by 250 banner ad, because that will almost always yield the highest click-through results. It's probably the best template to test off of. Okay, and then you could always move on to other sizes afterwards. Now, the four main elements of a banner ad are the headline, the copy, the graphic, and the call to action. In my opinion, the most important element here is the headline, because that is usually what grabs people's attentions and makes them want to click on your ad. Another important component there is obviously the graphic. I mean, a lot of people are visual. What they see, if they see something that they like, it'll grab their attention, right? So what you want to do is, look at your competitors' banner ads. You could even go on Google Images and just type in your niche and type in the words banner ads, so you could get some ideas. You could also do some research on CPA sites. Those are affiliate network sites, because they usually provide you with the highest converting banner ads that you can use. So you want to get some ideas from looking at other people's banner ads and see what works. Okay, now when you're creating banner ads, you could hire somebody to create the banner ads for you, but there are free tools out there. One tool that I like to use is Canva. Just go to canva.com. You could set up a free account. Now, they do have a paid or an upgrade where you would pay to access their site to access some better features on there. But a free account is good for now. Okay, so go to canva.com to create your banner ads if you're on a budget. And believe me, they do have some amazing tools on there that you could use to create some nice looking ads. Now let me share you some tips for success. The most obvious one here is to track your campaigns. And there's lots of tools you can use to track your campaigns, but the most popular and the most well-known one is Google Analytics. Okay, and this tool is free. So if you're new to the game, I suggest you start off with this, and then you can look into using other tools or other paid tools out there that would be more suitable for your business. Okay, now no matter what platform you're marketing on, whether it's on the internet or on TV or on mobile, doesn't matter. The most important metric is your ROI, or return on investment. Okay, so that's the key thing you have to remember here is when you're tracking and you're looking to scale up your business, your ROI is the most important thing you have to look at first. Okay, now if you do plan to advertise with banner ads instead of say videos or other types of formats, the size that you want to start off with is 300 by 250. I mentioned this in another video, and the reason for this is because it'll almost always yield the highest click-through results. So it's best to test off this, okay? And if it's profitable, then you can try out other sizes. Now, when you're launching a new campaign, it's best to start out small and slow to have time to review the results, and then scale it if you feel that it's a successful campaign. And the good rule of thumb is the 20% rule. Okay, after you've reached the 20% return on investment, or ROI, then it's good to scale up. Okay, another thing is you want to develop a budget and stick to it. And don't get discouraged if your first campaign is not profitable. Okay, because like all other traffic sources, it takes time to learn, optimize, and master. Okay, now if you do plan to use mobile ads, the results of your campaign could depend on a few different things, such as the type of device, the operating system, and the carrier. So try to segment your campaigns based on these things if you do plan on using mobile ads. And another thing too in regards to mobile ads is that, in some countries, mobile is the primary gateway to the internet. Okay, and there's plenty of available media at low prices. So that's something you may want to take advantage of. Here are some of the top media buying networks out there. One great network is SiteScout, or sitescout.com. And this is a self-serve platform where you can actually bid for ad placements. Now, the advantage of this method of bidding for ad placements is that advertisers with smaller budgets can display their ads on larger, more expensive publications at a fraction of the cost. Okay, and they also have an easy to use real-time platform where you can create and manage display campaigns, mobile campaigns, video campaigns, and retargeting campaigns. Okay, now another great network is Chitika, or chitika.com. This is a network of 350,000 plus quality publishers. You get access to top tier advertising partners like Yahoo, Supermedia, and Home Advisor. Okay, and they actually have this new mobile advertising platform that offers local targeting where you choose your hometown in order to reach only those in close proximity to your business. Okay, another great network is Buy Sell Ads, or buysellads.com. And again, you get access to thousands of independent publishers at once. Now, they do have a good quality control in place, meaning that the publishers or websites that you advertise on are good quality sources. They do have a 5% acceptance rate of publishers for that network. Okay, and new publishers are vetted, curated, and added weekly. Okay, and lastly on this list for now is CPX Interactive, or cpxi.com. And they're more than just a media buying company. They also develop unique content and engagement strategies for advertisers, publishers, and social influencers. Sorry. Okay, so in the next video, I'm gonna show you more top media buying networks. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Okay, so we're just continuing on with the list of the top media buying networks out there. In the previous video, I showed you 4 networks that I believe are one of the best ones out there. So in this video, I'm going to show you another 4 that I think are great for you to use. So starting on this list here is ExoClick, or exoclick.com, and this is the world's 4th largest ad network, and they include over 20 ad formats, including desktop, mobile, tablet, and smart TV. And they recently launched a new pre-roll in-stream video ad format, so you're going to want to check that out. Okay, another great network is advertise.com. Now, if you qualify, they'll actually design your banners for free when you advertise on their network. They can even create custom video-based banners, and they even guarantee your online display ads will appear above the fold. Okay, and they focus on the quality of traffic through their patented real-time click shield technology. Okay, another great network is pulse360.com, and they've created this interesting tool called the Pulse Audience Finder that helps you find your true customer. So it's a predictive targeting tool that lets them track your impressions, clicks, and conversions over 3,000 unique audiences. And it takes between 2 and 4 weeks, and then they can identify the target audience that drive your performance. Okay. Last on the list here is 7search.com, and aside from banner ads and text banners, they also provide pop unders and interstitial web page ads. So pop unders and interstitial web page ads are what I mentioned in the previous video. Okay, so I hope you found this video course helpful. In the meantime, feel free to send me any questions you may have, and yeah, good luck with your media buying campaigns.